In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get from this to this in only 4 to 5 months. Anybody can do it, you can too. So, if you're watching this video, I just want to let you guys know if this helps you out, be sure to leave a like below, subscribe if you're new, and let's get on to the video. So the first thing that helped me out with becoming a better artist is learning more of my anatomy and proportions. Now, my proportions and my anatomy are not perfect. I'm definitely still learning on these things. The journey of an artist never ends. It's a long stride of practicing to make perfect. But learning anatomy and just watching some videos and little tutorials to really understand some of the key tips that go into making a face, into making the body, whatever you're trying to draw, if it be animals, mechs, anything of that sort of nature, understanding the basics gives you a strong foundation in order to grow on. A lot of the times, anatomy can be kind of boring, but we'll get to that in a second, because I know sometimes it's really hard to sit there and try to learn something you're not completely wanting to invest your time in, but you got to think a little forward. So the second thing I did in order to become a better artist was I learned to imitate my favorite artists. So what got me into drawing in general and what got me started in art was seeing a picture from Art Germ. Seeing that picture motivated me to feel like I wanted to try to draw digital art. I've never seen that before. I never cared about it before as much. And seeing that kind of just sparked this creativity in me. Now the issue is, well, I'm a beginner, so trying to draw like Art Germ, who's one of those really high tier artists in my opinion, is difficult. You don't just jump into it and learn how to draw super well. You have to learn and process. And the easiest way to learn how to draw like people you enjoy and to kind of get their style somewhat into your own is to just practice certain things like they would. So let's say you're into an artist, let's just say with Art Germ, let's say you like the eyes. So you learn how to draw the eyes the way he would draw the eyes. And that way, it's kind of in the back of your memory on how you would draw those eyes. So you might want to copy it from parts of his images. As long as you're not taking credit for the art that is clearly his, you should be okay. That's fine. You're just practicing art. Don't let anybody tell you that you're being a copycat or anything like that. If you're just practicing the art and using it for studies, and as long as you're not using it to promote yourself, then there's no problem with that. So yeah, imitation is flattering. You gotta learn somewhere, and they had to learn from other people that they imitated and people from the Renaissance and other things like that. So take it in strides, don't feel bad about it, and imitate as much as you can. Right in. So with part 1, when I was talking about the anatomy that I don't really care for, step 3 is to draw what I don't like in what I like. So I mainly only draw women. I'm just not interested in drawing men as much. Women are pretty. It's about as much as you get in that. But in that, I've learned that I have to take the time to draw certain things I'm not so comfortable with. Recently, I've been doing a couple of Mikey Mega Megas, shout out to him, tutorials for foreshortening and below and above perspectives. And it's not something that I have fun with doing. A lot of these things right now as I'm learning, they're not as fun. This picture of Nami you're looking at right now was easy. It's not that bad. Nothing here kind of made me go, but sometimes you're just not going to feel like it. You have to practice drawing hands a bit more. As you can see right now, currently, with the hair that I'm doing, that took me forever to get this hair down the way it is. And I think it looks great, but I know it's like very low tier of where I need to get to in order to improve. So what you want to do is still push yourself to try and draw certain things that you're just not as interested in. So let's say I only draw women, so I have to learn how to draw women's hands. I don't like hands. No one likes hands. No one likes feet. All those kind of like little digits get really annoying to draw, but you have to do it anyways to help yourself progress. So just try to make it fun for yourself, but still homework kind of in a way. So number 4 is kind of simple. It's going to be kind of short. It's just to draw daily. It's really simple to just pick up a pencil and draw. It sucks sometimes because you feel like you're not necessarily there. or you feel like you're not really motivated to some days, but I've been drawing sort of straight. I might have taken like 5 days off for 5 months. Okay, 5 long months of drawing. As you can see from the first picture, it definitely helped me improve. I could barely draw on the lines. So take that as you will. If you're already further than I am, think of what that will do for you. Okay, if you feel you're a bit behind where I am, you'll catch up to me pretty easy, I'm telling you. Just keep it up daily, keep your stride. Don't let it psych you out. I know it sounds hard. Don't think about it all as, oh, we're gonna do this for 4 months. Just take it as day to day. If you miss a day, don't freak out. If you feel someday that you're not really as motivated to draw something simple. Draw one hand. As long as you're drawing something and getting your brain working, you should be good. Alright? So remember, don't freak out. Just draw daily. And the last tip I have, and the hardest tip for myself as well, which I get told by my friends, is be honest with yourself. Okay? You're not gonna blow up in like 2 days. Okay? It's not gonna instantly happen. Some of you it might. If it does, cool for you. I'm not gonna talk smack for you doing that. But most people, it's gonna take you a bit of strides. It's gonna take you a bit of lessons, days, studying. Okay? Just try to enjoy the process of where you're going. All right? Don't freak out about needing to get there immediately. I know some of you were looking for funds through this kind of because you got to fund your hobby somehow. But just have fun with it. Alright. So if this video helped you, be sure to leave a like. Comment down below any ways that you have improved your own art. And leave any suggestions down below. Be sure to subscribe. And I'll catch you all next time. Thanks for watching.